Australia for the introduction. The Honorable LCT member of the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing, our guest speaker and administrating officer for today's oath. Mr. Narsibal Randy Takiki, Regional Director, Professional Regulation Commission, Region 7. Dr. Ruji Revamonte, Education Supervisor, Commission on Higher Education, Region 7. Presidents of top performing schools. We have here Dr. Lawrence Garcia, Cebu Normal University. Dr. Philip Anthony Larazabal, Cebu Doctors University. Dr. B.G. Rodrigo Abellanosa, ACT Education Foundation. Dr. Pet Rui Pascual, Cebu Technological University, Cebu City Medical Center. Nurse Mark Ryan Portuguese, Governor, Philippine Nurses Association, Region 7. Nurse John Marcon Tutut, President, PNA or Philippine Nurses Association, Cebu Chapter. Dr. Giancarlo Torres, President, Philippine Nurses Association National. PNA officers, fellow deans, faculty members, proud parents, and most especially our newly licensed registered nurses, the true highlight of today's event. Good morning.
Good morning.
My dear, or our dear new nurses, today marks the new chapter of your lives. As you take the full commitment of being a full-fledged nurse through this ceremony, I know that you cannot contain the pride and joy you have in your hearts. You cannot help but marvel on God's wondrous ways of leading you through. While others are merely wishing to be present in a ceremony like this, you are so blessed to have been endowed with this hard-earned success. The battle is finally won. You have done your best and now you are reaping the rewards of your 4 years of labor. Your journey as a student was never easy. Remember the overwhelming pathophysiologies that would often leave you nose bleeding? The basic and seemingly unending cycle of the nursing process, and also the seemingly infinite diseases along with their corresponding care plans. You suffered altered sleeping patterns due to the innumerable sleepless nights you spent digging through your books while preparing for the great battle ahead. As you are about to take your oath in front of God and in the presence of this assembly, all I can say is that you have finally fought a good fight from sleeping or merely being a degree holder towards being proclaimed a professional, a registered nurse. The licenses you have earned at this stage of your lives would not have been reached had it not been for the people who have pushed and even pressured you towards becoming registered nurses. These people may be your parents, your sponsors, your guardians, your family, your clinical instructors, and your deans. You should be thankful to all of them for being not only wonderful stressors during one of the most trying times of your lives, but also for inspiring you, praying for you, and believing in you. You are who you are because you were personally trained by your mentors in the core values of leadership, integrity, faith in God, and excellence. As you root and cherish these principles, this helps you conquer all the endeavors you face. Your mentors taught you efficiently. That is why your success is theirs as well. For nursing educators like me, knowing that our students now become full-fledged nurses is the best prize that we get for all our patients and sacrifices. certainly the feeling is incomparable. So just savor the moment and let this meaningful event in your life sink in. After all, it only comes once in a lifetime. This is not just a ceremony, rather, it is one great moment that your sense of maturity and sense of responsibility are called on. This ceremony will translate itself to how you will become the nurses that nightingales of this present day and age have trained you to become. This has been your dream. This has been the appearance of your peers. This has been your hope. And now, this miracle is your shared success. Let your light to shine before men. You have within your reach more than finite possibilities. Love your calling with passion. It is the meaning of your life. Congratulations and welcome, everyone.
Thank you very much, Dr. Judith Isma.